warmth, her honesty, of course her beauty, and her commitment as a friend to pretty much everyone that she meets. And that's why there are so many wonderful friends here today, and one of whom I feel very, very lucky to be. And I know through our friendship, we have been changed for good.
I, Poppy Rosemary Alford-Steele,
take you, George David Johnson,
take you, George David Johnson,
to be my wedded husband.
be my wedded husband.
I give you this ring
As a sign of our love,
as a sign of our love.
I promise to be faithful,
Promise to be faithful,
loving and loyal for always,
loving and loyal for always.
to cherish you
Cherish you
through good times and bad,
for the good times and the bad,
and to respect and honour you.
and to respect and honour you. I love you so much. You're my greatest achievement. You're the only thing I ever want in my life. I just couldn't do this life without you. And whatever it was that made us two come together, I wish I could shake his or her hand and buy him a pint. We are living our wildest dream at the moment. We've thought of this for years and years, and I want nothing else more in this life than you.
After those hours we spent watching YouTube, Justin Bieber, George has made you his one less lonely girl. And George, there's only one thing left to say to you. You're trapped!